Hello, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Olivia. I'm excited to share this moment with you. I've got a new industrial sewing machine. We are going to unbox together as well as the setup and finally testing. So remain subscribed, do not go anywhere, and let's get right into the video. So this small box contains the motor as well as the industrial machine switch. This is a small motor, which is why the box is also small, and the brand I got is JAKI. And this flat one is the table. Let's do this. Oh, okay. After opening the main box, there is another box. Okay, I think you need to see this. So here we have two items in one box. We have parts of the machine. This is also the wheel with its screw, and that's so cute. We have a cover here, and then instructions. You have the oil, and you have here the main body. So that's so nice. The main body is beneath, then all other parts are in another box. This is the oil. I believe if the oil is not enough, we have to get more. This is it for the unboxing. When he comes, he will work on the table. So here is how the small motor looks like, and this is also the switch. The switch has a plus and a minus, which you use to decrease or increase your speed. And here he has already set the stand of the table, so afterwards he's just going to place it on the table, okay, and then position it well and screw it in place. And after screwing all the parts, he went ahead to connect the cord of the small motor to the switch so they can all work together. And so when you put on the switch, the motor will turn on, as well as when you put off the switch, the motor will turn off. And this is me testing the wheel of the stand to see how it works. I was also disturbing the machine repairer small, asking questions here and there. He's done, so he's just going to turn the whole stand this way, I like the way he just did all of this so the top of the table does not scratch, and this is really good. He went ahead to place the tank of the oil, that's the container that takes the oil. He placed it on the space or the table, and then finally place the main body of the machine right on it. There are some protectors around the four corners of the machine. He placed that down before he placed the main body on it, and then he went ahead to also fix the wheel. One thing I noticed is that whatever you pick has its own screw that you use, so you will not even get confused. And this man did not take more than an hour to fix this machine. Ah, he just came in and the first thing was unboxing the main table, fixing, and by the time I saw he was done, like I was shocked. I thought he was going to spend like at least 2 hours or more, but I think or I believe he's a professional. Yes, he is. I know him to be a professional, so he knows what he was doing. He just did some back job and he was done to fix another person's own. Can you imagine? So now he's pouring the oil into the tank. And then I was also asking him if the oil will be enough. He said, yes, it will be enough unless I want to add more. But for now, it will be enough. And maybe when I work more, I see the level of the oil, then I can go ahead and change it. So basically, he is done fixing or setting up the machine. Now he's going to on and test and see what's up. So here I gave him a thread. The company already had an extra thread on one of the bobbins, so he just went ahead to set, thread the machine, and then he went on to loosen some of the screws on the motor. When he started testing, he noticed that the machine was making a noise that is not supposed to be. So I think that is why he was loosening. So he kept on checking and working on it, checking and working. After he was done testing, he didn't really do too much. He was just checking and kind of correcting some things. I believe the company that made this machine did the most. They had a little piece of fabric on the machine with stitches, which means that they also tested before boxing it to sell. Okay, so yeah, he's now testing the stitches and then changing the stitches to different length. I was also standing there, so when I see anything on the stitches that maybe they are not supposed to be, I'll just caution him. Maybe he's not seeing it, so I just have to tell him to correct. But he did everything. He also locked in the wheel so the machine stays stable. Yeah, stable. So yeah, after he finished, I just went on to also test the machine myself. But this is also a close look of how the machine is. And this is me being grateful for having an industrial machine. I went on to also thank God for the opportunity of getting a new industrial machine. After that, I began to test. I was eager to do this. Like I've never used an industrial machine before. It feels different having your own industrial machine. I don't know. I don't know how to say this. I've used and mastered how to use industrial machines, but this moment felt different. I was in between. I was cool having it, but deep down, I was kind of so happy owning. I so currently I have tested the machine and it is good. It's just that the wheel of the machine is quite hard to control. The repairer says when the oil gets to most part to the wheel, it will be softer than it is. So I guess I need to take time and be patient. I hope the process of assembling the machine helped you. If yes, give this video a thumbs up. Do subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you have any question around industrial sewing machine, let me know in the comment section. I might make a second video to explain and answer all your questions. Yes, I hope you enjoyed watching. I definitely enjoyed the process. I'm also grateful for the fact that the repairer or whoever came to fix the machine for me wasn't mad when I was recording him. So I'm grateful for that I am able to share this process, this journey with you. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, my name is Olivia. I would advise you stick to this channel. We share sewing tutorials, pattern drafting, and DIYs. So stick around and learn with me, okay? See you in our next tutorial.